Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make this cartoon fire animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com, and after finish video, I will share all project files for download. So, first one, let's select this wood and move it down. Then lock layer and go to pen tool. Let's make one shape like this and let's change like this. For smooth shape layers, hold alt and let's make like this. Also hold alt, again make smooth like this, and these points. Okay. Okay, so let's select shape layer and change the name fire 1 and go to fill. Let's select this eyedropper and select color red, click OK. And let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Go to fill. Let's change color yellow. You can use this color code for your project and click OK. Then select this fire 2, press S, change scale and move it down. Change again. Let's change 75. Okay, and then go to FX presets, search effect wave and select this wave warp. Let's use for this fire 1. Then change wave height 8 and wave width. Let's change 110. Let's see. Let's go to solo. Okay, and change direction -6. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's change -5. Nice. And change wave speed 1.5. Okay. So let's unsolo. Select this wave warp effect, Ctrl C. Select this fire 2, Ctrl V. Okay, nice. And for random animation, select the fire 2, change this 5 and wave speed 1. Okay, and change this wave width 100 and wave height 5. Let's try change 12. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's go to FX presets, search effect turbulent displays and select this turbulent displays and let's use for this again fire 1. Okay, and change amount 250. Okay, and change size. Let's try change like this. Let's change 25. Okay, not bad. And change complexity 2. Okay, and elevation. Let's try change like this. Let's change 95. Okay, not bad. So let's select this fire and go to pen tool and let's change like this. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's change amount 350. Okay, so in this time I will make offset keyframes for turbulence. Let's go to first second and make offset keyframe. Let's press U for C keyframes and go to 10 keyframe. Let's hold shift and change this offset. Let's see. Okay, this is not fast. Let's again Select last keyframe, hold shift and change this offset. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad. So let's select these turbulence displays, Ctrl C, and select this fire 2, go to first second, and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, let's press U, close keyframes, and go to click reset. Okay, let's change this 300 and this 25. Okay, and in this time again make new offset keyframe, go to last keyframe and change this offset like this. Let's see. Let's change again for fast animation. Okay, that's good. Let's select this fire 2, press S, change scale. Nice. Let's click selection tool and move it up. Okay, and let's Ctrl D, press S, change scale, and move it down. Go to fill, select this yellow color. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's change amount like this and size. Okay, I like it. Not bad. So select this file 1, go to pen tool, and let's try change like this. And select this file 2. Also change this. Okay, not bad. Let's select the fire 3, change scale. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's close keyframe settings, click selection tool, and go to FS presets, search effect glow. Select this glow, let's use for this file 1, and change glow radius. Okay. And Ctrl C glow effect, select this file 2, Ctrl V, and let's try change settings. Select file 3, Ctrl V, and change like this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So let's select this fire layers and right mouse, precomps, and add name fire. Click OK. Back to main composition and move to here. Okay, let's move it down and go to pen tool. Let's press T, change opacity, and let's make like this. Okay, click selection tool and let's open mask and click inverted checkbox. Nice. Let's select this mask and open mask 1 here. Select this mask pad. Let's select pen tool and change this like this. And move to left this. And select this fire, press T, change opacity 100. Click selection tool. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So for better fire animation, we can change layer 1 paths for realistic animation. Let's open fire and select fire 1, or select this fire 2, select pen tool, and let's move it up. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Okay, not bad, I like it. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.